Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And in today's video, we're going to be doing, I guess, just your basic tire rotation. This is what a lot of people I know I've heard don't do it. And I'm going to show you the proper way of doing it. And I'm going to show you outside real quick, but I just drew something up really quick, basically showing the front of the car, the back of the car. And basically what you do is you get the tire on the front, drivers, move it over to the passenger side. The passenger side comes back here. This one comes back here. And then this one moves up all the way to the front. And you do that, I personally do it every 5,000 miles when I do the oil change. That's what I recommend, and heard other people say 10,000 or whatever. But I'm going to show you what you do specifically on the first step. I don't have any impact tools, so when it's on the floor, you just want to loosen up the bolts on the tire just a little before you raise it up. Let me go ahead and do that. Okay, like I mentioned before, you loosen up the bolts beforehand, the lug nuts or whatever, from the wheel. And the reason I don't have an impact wrench, if you had one you wouldn't have to worry about this, but as soon as you take them up, the car, you just remove it very easily. You see, some of them even come off by hand. So that's the reason I do it if you don't have an impact wrench, like I said. And this will help you, and then I'll show you right now as soon as I get the wheel off. Okay, and once you have the wheel out, it's always a good idea to check, make sure there's no damage to the tire whatsoever. This is a perfect time, and you check all of them since you have them off. And this one looks pretty good. Just gonna set it off to the side. And then also, it's always a great idea to check your brakes as well. And you can check everything else underneath too, like say the shock absorber and everything. So you basically do that all around throughout the whole wheels, all of them. Follow the pattern, and you will always have the even wear, and you won't have any issues. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I hope you enjoy my video and it helps. You know, follow that pattern. I do it every 5,000 miles. I never have any issues of uneven wear on the tires, and I hope this helps you out. So go ahead and leave comments and then let me know what you think. Thanks.